Have you ever seen a fire truck race down the street? It's so exciting. These trucks aren't just regular vehicles, they are lifesavers during emergencies. Did you know that brave firefighters are inside those trucks? Firefighters are heroes who keep our communities safe from fires. They risk their lives to protect us. They battle intense flames and smoke to save people and property, whether it's a small fire or a large building blaze. They respond quickly and efficiently. Would you like to know more about firefighters and their awesome fire trucks? Let's go on an adventure and discover the awesome world of firefighters and all the amazing work they do. The fire station is like a big house for firefighters. It's a place where they live and work. It has everything they need to be ready for action. From their gear to the equipment, everything is organized and in place. There's a place for the fire trucks, beds for resting, and a kitchen for cooking meals. The firefighters need to be well rested and well fed to be at their best when duty calls. When we visit, a friendly firefighter shows us around. They are always happy to educate the community about their work and the importance of fire safety.
We see that the fire truck has hoses, ladders, and sirens. These tools are essential for fighting fires and rescuing people in need. Sometimes kids even get to sit inside. It's thrilling to imagine what it's like to be a firefighter, racing to the scene of an emergency. Before we leave the fire station, the firefighter reminds us to be careful with fire. They emphasize the importance of being cautious and aware of fire hazards. The firefighter also shows us some fire safety equipment that we can keep at home, like smoke detectors and fire extinguishers. These tools can help us stay safe and prevent small fires from becoming big emergencies. As we leave, we see the firefighters getting ready to respond to an emergency. It's a reminder of how important their job is and how they are always ready to help us in times of need. They are our everyday heroes.
Firefighters wear special gear to protect them from heat, smoke, and dangerous fumes. This gear helps to keep them safe. Each piece of equipment is designed with a specific purpose. Their gear is heavy, the weight of the gear can be challenging, but it is a necessary burden to bear. It includes a variety of items, each contributing to the overall protection and functionality needed during emergencies.
The helmet protects their head from falling debris. It is made from durable materials that can withstand significant impact, ensuring that firefighters remain unharmed even in the most dangerous situations. Their jacket is made of fire-resistant material. This material is specially designed to withstand high temperatures and prevent burns, allowing firefighters to get close to the flames without getting injured. The mask helps them breathe clean air in smoky situations. It filters out harmful particles and provides a steady supply of oxygen. The gloves protect their hands from heat and sharp objects. Made from tough, heat-resistant materials, these gloves allow firefighters to handle hot equipment and navigate through debris without injury, and their boots are strong and sturdy to prevent slips and falls. These boots provide excellent traction and support, ensuring that firefighters can move quickly and safely across various terrains, whether it's a burning building or a slippery surface.
Suddenly, a loud alarm rings through the fire station. The firefighters jump into action. They know that someone needs their help.
The firefighters move quickly and with purpose. They grab their gear and race to the fire truck. Every second counts when there's a fire. The firefighters work together as a team. They know their roles and trust each other. It's impressive to see how fast they get ready.
Fire trucks are like giant toolboxes on wheels. They have everything firefighters need to fight fires and save lives. The ladder on the fire truck can reach high into the sky. It helps firefighters rescue people from tall buildings or reach fires on upper floors. The hose is long and thick. It's used to spray water or special firefighting foam onto the fire. The sirens make a loud, distinct sound. The sirens warn people to clear the way for the fire truck.
When firefighters arrive at a fire, they work together to put out the flames and keep everyone safe. They use their training, skills, and special equipment to control the fire. Firefighters are incredibly brave. They face danger to protect people and property. They also help rescue pets from burning buildings. Firefighters are important members of our community. They risk their lives to keep us safe.
Firefighters are true heroes. They are always there to help when we need them most. They show us the importance of courage, teamwork, and helping others. Next time you see a firefighter, be sure to thank them for their service. They deserve our respect and admiration for their bravery and dedication. Remember, fire safety is everyone's responsibility. Learn about fire safety and practice what to do in case of a fire. Stay safe and be kind to one another. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.